सुप्रभात पिलामाने
सुप्रभात सार
केमिति अछ
भल अछु आपण
भल अछि आज आम जवाहर नवोदय प्रवेशिका परीक्षा परीक्षा पाई प्रकाशित पाइथिबा पोलस्टार पब्लिकेशन गाइड रो किछि ओरिया गणित करबा तेबे प्रथम गणित एहिपरि निर्देश प्रत्येक प्रश्नर 4टी लेखाएं उत्तर 1 2 3 4 क्रम रे दिया जाइछि सेति मध्यरु गोटे उत्तर ठीक और अन्य गुड़िक भूल ठीक उत्तरटी बाछि तार क्रमांक उत्तर पत्रिका रे दिया जाइथिबा खाली बाक्स मध्य रे इरेज रे लेख तेबे देखिबा प्रथम प्रश्न देला 51 0 4 6 8 दुई थर व्यवहार करा जाई पारिबो को नेई गठित 6 अंक विशिष्ट बृहत्तम और क्षुद्रपति संख्या मध्य पार्थक्य केते तो एमानु नेगिरी आमे से 4टी अंक देछि ताकू किंतु आमे 6टी अंक रे लेखिबा एनु करी हमको आमे ताकू कोन करिया रिपीट करिया पड़ियो वी हैव टू रिपीट 1 2 numbers otherwise we can't write a 6 digit number because of 4 digits are given so repetition is necessary आवश्यक पुनः लिखन आवश्यक तेबे आमे देखिबा जे हमर कहला कोन ना इमितिका क्षेत्र रे इन दिस केस वी आर जनरली सेड दैट वी हैव टू राइट इफ ए ग्रेट नंबर इज आस्क्ड वी हैव टू राइट फ्रॉम ग्रेट डिजिट टू ग्रेटर डिजिट टू स्मॉलर डिजिट राइट प्रथमे बड़ संख्या तापर सान संख्या तापर सान संख्या तापर सान संख्या एही बढ़िया लिखिबा से जगह से कहला जेहेतु 4टा डिजिट देछि 6टा लिखिया पड़ी आमे 2टा डिजिट को रिपीट करिया पड़े वी हैव टू रिपीट 2 डिजिट्स तबे जेहेतु इज ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर इज आस्क्ड वी विल रिपीट दैट first greatest number and the second the first greatest digit and the second greatest digit so how many digits are given 4 digits what are they 0 4 6 8 what is the greatest digit 8 so we will repeat 8 two times 8 8 next greatest digit is 6 we will write it 6 6 8 8 6 6 then 4 0 would understand 8 8 6 6 4 0 बड़टा को दी थर रिपीट कर दो तार पर बड़टा को और रिपीट कर दो you will get the answer so the greatest number with repetition the greatest 6 digit number that can be formed with the help of 4 digits given 0 4 6 8 is 88 you know double just one 88 66 next one is 40 okay this is the greatest number 88 66 40 now let's make the smallest number the process is we shall write from small number to bigger number so what is the smallest number 0 we can write begin with 0 so next smallest number is 4 so we will write what 4 we will not repeat it we will repeat it 00 00 4 0 0 0 4 here we will repeat right 4 next one is what 68 right now let's ताको आमे कोन करिबा ना we will subtract the smallest number from the greatest number बड़ नंबर सान नंबर टाको फेडी देबा so mark the top number is 886640 bottom number is 400468 right so at a unit mark the unit places. The top unit places is 0, bottom unit places is 8. We can't subtract. Can we?
No.
What shall we do now? We shall borrow
borrow.
from the next place. So there is 4 in the next place. We will bring 1. So here it will become what? 3, and it will become 10. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2, you know. Similar is the case. We can subtract 6 from 3. We will borrow from which? Here, from here. How many? 1. The remainder will be 5. Here it will become 13. Right? 13 minus 6 is equal to 7, you know. Could understand? Next, here 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, 6 minus 0 is equal to 6, 8 minus 0 is equal to 8, and 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. The number, right answer, the result is 4, 8, 6, 1, 7, 2. Difference is
4, 8, 2, 1,
4, 8.
2, 1.
Yes, this is 2, 1. No. How?
5. The 4 color.
Double, right? 8, 8, double 6, 4, 0. 4, 0, 0, 4, 6, 8. Right? So here 2, 7. Next one is 1, right? Here 5. This is 5. This is this is 6. This is 6. Could understand? This is the wrong process. Let's see. Just 1 minute. We will know whether this is correct. Right? Tell me how many is given? Double 8, double 8, double 6. Tell me. Double 8, double 6.
6.
Huh.
4, 0.
Put your finger there. 4, 0 minus how many?
Minus 4, 0, 0.
4, 0, 0, 4.
4, 6, 8.
6, 8.
Yes.
How many? 4, 8, 6, 1, 7, 2. 4, 8, 6, 1, 6, that is 6. So answer which is correct? Answer which one? Tell me. 4, 8, 6, 1.
कौन सी विकल्प है ए उत्तर दिया जाए
Dinosaur. No option is correct. Right? 5. This is option 5. Right? This is option 5. Okay. Now let's move to the next number, that is ଏଥିମଧ୍ୟରୁ କେଉଁ ସଂଖ୍ୟା ସମୂହ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ବଡ଼ରୁ ସାନ କ୍ରମରେ ସଜା ଯାଇପାରିବ? ଏଥିମଧ୍ୟରୁ କେଉଁ ସଂଖ୍ୟା ସମୂହ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ବଡ଼ରୁ ସାନ କ୍ରମରେ ସଜାଇ ରଖାଯାଇଛି? ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ବଡ଼ରୁ ସାନଟାକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସଜେଇବା ପ୍ରଥମେ କ'ଣ କରିବା? ବଡ଼ ଅଙ୍କଟା ବଡ଼ ସଂଖ୍ୟାଟାକୁ ରଖିବା। ବଡ଼ ସଂଖ୍ୟା କିଏ ହେବ? ଯଦି ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ସଂଖ୍ୟାର ଅଙ୍କ ସଂଖ୍ୟା ସମାନ ତେବେ ତାର ଶେଷ ସଂଖ୍ୟାଟା ଯିଏ ବଡ଼ ସିଏ ବଡ଼। If the digits in the numbers are same, could understand? The last digit of the number, if the last digit of the number is great, the number is great. ଏଇଟା ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ସବୁ ଯାକ ଦେଖ ଅଛି କେତେ ଅଙ୍କିଆ 1 2 3 4 5 ପାଞ୍ଚ ଅଙ୍କିଆ ସଂଖ୍ୟା ଦିଆଯାଇଛି। ପାଞ୍ଚ ଅଙ୍କିଆ ସଂଖ୍ୟା ଭିତରେ ଆମର ଦେଖିବା ଲେଫ୍ଟ ସାଇଡରେ ଯୋଉଟା କି ସବୁଠୁ ହାଇଏଷ୍ଟ ମାନେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ସଂଖ୍ୟାରେ କେତେ ଥିଲା 8। କେତେଟା 8 ଅଛି? ମାର୍କ 8। this one is begins with 8, this one begins with 8, this one begins with 8. This one begins with 1, so it is the smallest number, so even it is wrong. Next ଆମେ 8 ପରେ ତା ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ସ୍ଥାନ ଦେଖିବା this is 1, this is 1, this is 2, so it is wrong. This is also wrong. Right answer is 4. 4 is the right answer. Could understand? Right answer 4 is the right answer again. Right answer is the 4. लास्ट तापर डिजिट जदि सब से डिजिट समान तापर डिजिट देखियो जी बड़ सी बड़ तापर डिजिट देखियो तापर एटा हमर देइछि को डिजिट देइछि 1 10 100 1000 अयुत अयुत समान नहीं गला तापर 1000 को देखिए 1000 स्थान देखिया पड़ो 1000 स्थान जदि समान नहीं गला शतक स्थान को देखिया पड़ो शतक स्थान जदि समान नहीं गला 10 स्थान को देखिया पड़ो 10 स्थान सब जाज समान नहीं गला 1 स्थान को देखियो ओके नाउ 70 रु 80 मध्य थिबा समस्त मौलिक संख्यार जोगफल केते हो मौलिक संख्या गुडा को केते केते
71
यस 71
73
73
79
79
हाँ
9 plus 1 is 10 10 plus 3 is 13 here 3 and let's carry 1 over here 1 plus 7 is 8 8 plus 7 is 15 15 plus 7 is 22 so sum is 222 which is number 2 is 23 right thank you that's like a good boy
number 2
number 2 is correct thank you next one is गोटे विद्यालय रे 704 टी डेस्क को 22 जन श्रेणी कक्ष रखा जीवा 22 श्रेणी कक्ष रखा जीवार थिला जदि प्रत्येक श्रेणी रो समान संख्यक डेस्क रखा जीवो ते प्रत्येक श्रेणी कक्ष रे केतोटी रहइबो आमे आगु we will divide 704 by 22 right 22 3 da 66 70 minus 66 is equal to 4 you know and let's bring down 4 here total 40 42 and you know 22 into 2 is equal to 42 very easy 44 right 22 into 2 is equal to 44 answer is 32 which is correct number 1 is correct right now let's move to the next number that is number 55 55 1 by 2 plus 3 by 8 plus 7 by 16 को दशमिक रे प्रकाश कले केते हबो आमे देखिदा 1 by 2 plus how many 3 by 8 plus 7 by how many 16 log को LCM is equal to 16 because 16 is divided by 8 16 is divided by 2 so now let's divide LCM by 2 16 by 2 is equal to 8 8 into 1 is equal to 8 plus 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2 and 3 into 2 is equal to 6 plus 16 divided by 16 is equal to 1 here 7 7 into 1 is equal to 1 so that is 8 8 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 15 okay that is yes 1/2 3 by 8 7 by 16 ठीक अच्छी असुविधा कौन है this is 7 not 1 okay how is equal to 8 plus 4 is 14 14 plus 7 is equal to 21 and that is 21 upon 16 right this is a fraction what kind of fraction improper fraction because the top number is greater than the bottom number you know if the top number is smaller than the bottom number that is a proper fraction if the top number is greater than small bottom number that is improper fraction so let's say convert it into a decimal number convert kariba okay done just 1 minute 21 divided by 16. Right? 1, 16. 16 minus 21 minus 16 is equal to 5. It is smaller than the divisor. Look at the blackboard. So we will take help of decimal here, decimal. Now at 0, 50. 16 3 da. Or 16 4 da. 16 3 da 48. Right? 2, 0, 16 1 da 16. How many?
4.
4. Next 0. 16 2 da.
2.
How many? 16 2 da how many? Tell.
16 2.
32.
32.
8 0 16 5 da 8. And the process is completed. That is 0. Remainder is 0. The question is 1.3125. Which is correct? 1.3125. 4 is correct. Right? What did I say? 4 is correct. Okay. 4 is correct. Next one is this one. निम्न बेंच को सरल कर. Let's do it. 3/2 into which bracket? Square bracket. This is a square bracket. This is a round bracket. This is a square bracket. This is a curly bracket. You know. Curly bracket kutre bandhane. Another is angle bracket. Right? So anyway, come to the point. So 3/2 into square bracket 7/9 minus 2/3. Right? Then
Plus.
tell.
Plus.
That is a plus. Yes. Plus how many? Curly bracket 1/3 plus
Round back.
round bracket 2/3 minus 4/9. Round bracket ends, curly bracket ends, square bracket ends. You understand? So first we shall do this one. Could you understand? So here first do it. 9. Could you understand? What did I say? 9. LCM is 9. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. 3 into 2 is equal to how many? 6. Minus 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. 1 into 4 is equal to 4. 4 is equal to, here we will get 2/9. Okay, we will write it. Could you understand? So 3/2 into, tell me,
2 open.
into bracket 7/9 minus 2/3,
3.
right? Plus
5/9.
plus
5/9.
where is 5/9? No, this one. 3/2 into square bracket 7/9 minus 2/3, right? Plus curly bracket 1/3. 1/3, right? Plus how many? Here 2/9. 2/9. What ends? Curly bracket, square bracket. Right? Next. Just 1 minute. Tell again. This one. 3/2, right? Into, tell,
3/2.
square bracket
Square bracket.
7/9.
Minus
What did I say? What did you say?
7/9.
Minus 2/3, yes, हाँ,
plus
curly bracket 2 upon 3, yes, minus
minus
minus 2 upon 9, 2 upon 9, curly bracket sets square bracket set ends, right?
4 upon 9.
2 upon 9, yes, no, it's already done, right? Plus, this is a plus, right? So 3 upon 2 into what is it? 7 upon square bracket 7 upon 9, right? Minus 2 upon 3, yes,
Plus
could be curly bracket, this is less, the LCM is 9, 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3, 3 into 2 is equal to 6, plus 9 divided by 9 is equal to how many? 1, 1 into 2 is equal to how many? 1 into 2 is equal to 2, right? So this is 3 upon 2 into square bracket 7 upon 9 minus 2 upon 3, right?
plus
Plus, this is plus
5
how
upon
many?
9.
8 upon 9. 8 upon, is that 5 upon 9? 1, 3. 1, 3. This is 1 upon 3. This is 1 upon 3, right? Wrongly wrote it. 1 upon 3. So it is 3 upon 3 plus, so 5 upon plus 5 upon 9. Okay? Square bracket. Could you understand this one? Okay? So now it's 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2 into how many?
7
Bracket 7 upon 9 minus 2 upon 3, right? Plus 5 upon 9 is equal to 3 upon 2, right? Into bracket, right? We shall do here LCM is 9. 9 divided 9 is equal to 1. Could you understand? 9 divided by 9 is 1, 7 is 1, 7 minus 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3, 3 into 2 is equal to 6, plus 9 divided by 9 is 1, 1 into 5 is equal to 5, right? So this is a positive number, this is positive number, is equal to 3 upon 2 into this is 12 minus 6 upon 9, right? Here 3 upon 2, this is 6 upon 9, 3 to that, 3 to that. So here 3 into 2,
3 upon
here 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2 into 2/3 equal to 3 cancelled, 2 cancelled is equal to 1. So answer is 1. Could understand? Answer is 1. Next, निम्न को सरल करी तार फल को शतकड़ा प्रकाश कले केते हबो सरल करबा को केते देछि कुआ केते देछि तमे डाक मते बुझा पड़नी तो डाक 0.346 कुआ मते बुझा पड़नी ता गुण न केते 4 देछि आ किछि देनी हां ब्रैकेट शेष हाँ करदेली नेक्स्ट 17 देछि एथरा हमें कौन करवा ना एटा को दशमिक उठेदेवा वी विल हेल्प टेक द हेल्प ऑफ 0 3 4 नेक्स्ट 6 8 अपन 1 1 1 1 1 चारटा 4 हो गला into 17 into 4 right could understand 17 to the how many 34 17 to the 34 could understand so 34 minus 30 is 0 we will bring down 6 is smaller than 7 so we will take the we will use 0 so 68 4 right for next 4 for the 16 here 6 here 1 4 0 the 0 ये plus 1 is equal to 1 4 to the 8 upon 1 102030 that is 40 so 1 2 3 so 10 0 8 1 this is the answer correct answer is it tell me which is the correct answer है ना No, this is the wrong answer.
answer.
Oh, it's 100% again. Just 1 minute. It's 100% just 1 minute. Into 100. Into 100. Right. So 000 will be cancelled. Could understand? So this one is 8 for the 16 6 sorry 4 for the 16 6 here 1 4 0 the 0 plus 1 is 1 4 to the 8 upon 100 is equal to 8.16 could understand this is the answer which is the correct tell me number 3 is correct thank you number 3 is correct next one is दुईटी संख्यार गुणफल the product of two numbers is 3.92 जदि गोटे संख्या अन्य संख्यार 2 गुण हुए बड़ संख्या केते if one is x and another is 2x this is a small number this is the smallest number this is the smallest number this is biggest number so as per question 2x into x is equal to 3.92 could understand so x into x is equal to you know x square 2x square implies that 2x square is equal to 3.92 x square is equal to 3.92 divided by 2 2 1 the 2 remainder 1 9 19 2 9 the 18 1 6 196 x square is equal to 196 x square is equal to 1.96 could you understand so this is the 196 is the square of 14 right see 14 1 the 14 4 the 56 here 6 here 5 14 1 the 14 plus 5 is 190 so here x is equal to 14 then that is 1.4 answer is 1.4 which is correct tell me Number 1.
Number 2.
Number 2. Oh, yes. So, x is equal to 1.4. Right? The bigger number is 2x. Is equal to, that is 1.4 into 2 is equal to 2.8. Bigger number now is 2.8. So, number 2 is correct. Right? Next one is ମୁଁ ତମକୁ ବର୍ଗମୂଳ କାଢ଼ିବାର ଶିଖେଇଦେବି। ରାଇଟ୍? କେଉଁ ବୃହତ୍ତମ ସର୍ବବୃହତ୍ତମ ସଂଖ୍ୟା ଅଙ୍କ ଏତିକି ସଂଖ୍ୟାକୁ 8, 10, 12 ଦ୍ୱାରା ସମାନ ଭାଗରେ ଭାଗ କରାଯିବ। ତାର ଆମେ ଲସ୍ ଆଉ ବାହାର ଏଲସିଏମ୍ 8, 10, 12। ରାଇଟ୍? 2, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 5, 3, 3, 5 the 15, 15 to the 30, 30 to the 60, 60 to the 120. What do I say? 120. Right? 120.
120.
Yes, 120. So, दिनियों का विशिष्ट बृहत्तम संख्या, you know, 99, 999. Could understand? So, here 999 is not divided by 120. 975 is not divided by 120. 900 is not divided by 120. So this one, the right answer is number 2. This is divided by how many? 12. Because you know 12 8 the 96. Could understand it? So it is the correct answer. Next one is, what did I say? 0.0. Sorry. 0.0 upon how many? 0.0 plus 0.04. 0.4 upon 0.04 plus 0.04 upon 0.4. Right? Is equal to point. This pen does not obey to me today. So let's see. What is that? 4 upon 10 into 4 upon 100 plus 4 upon 100 into how many? 4 into here 10. Right? Could understand? 4 cancel 10. Right? Plus 4 cancel 10. That is 10 plus 1 by 10. Right? 10 plus 1 by 10.
10.2.
10 plus 1 by 10 is equal to LCM 10. Here 1, 10 divided by 1 is 10, 10 into 10 is 100, plus 10 divided by 10 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1 not 1 upon 10 is equal to 10.1, 10.1, which is correct? 10.1, number 1 is correct. Could understand? Number 1 is correct. So, आमे तो आज कले 60 पर्यंत करदेले किंतु मु तुमको कहली जे आसंता श्रेणी रे तुमको वर्गमूल बाहर करिवार शिखैदेबी। सेतबेले जाए शुभ विदाय। धन्यवाद।